guys, we're back with Bumps. I'm working on the trained retrieve, and I'm going to tell you, this dog is the type that would be prone to make it situational. Now, there's other stuff going on, so not going to. So what I've done, and Courtney, I know you're watching this, I've reinforced my fetch just now with my Nick, and partly because he understands the sequence of the pager and the Nick. So, Bump. That's what I did. I just threw it down and I didn't really see any. I'm just going to work a little obedience. Bump, heel. Heel. Sit. Heel. Sit. Heel. Heel. Get a little habit of pushing mama. Sit. Leave it. So I am trying to keep it pretty. I'm trying to keep it pretty fast paced here. All right, we go. So just do this. Fetch. Heel. Sit. Fetch. Heel. Sit. I'm liking it so far. Heel. Heel. So I did add my Nick right there, and I'm finna do it again. As much opportunity as I could in this thing to add my Nick, not in conjunction with this, I would do it. I would do that. I would take the opportunity to do that. All right, so let me see what we got here. All right, here, set your other one over there a minute, Summer. Heel. Fetch. Fetch. I'm going to add my Nick. Fetch. Good. So that was my Nick. Sit. Right, this guy is waving at us. Please don't be some psycho that we know.
Please.
Anyway, so that was my Nick on 40. So heel. I'm gonna add it again if I can. Heel. So that was my Nick of 40 again. Sit. Heel. Sit. And I'm getting to the point with him that I'm really just fetch. Heel. Sit. Sit. Bye, guys.